Hi and welcome to another section of this video series, How to Pass Your Prop Firm Trading Challenge with live examples, which comes with an ability to build your confidence as a trader, increase your accuracy and profitability. So without further ado, let's jump right into our trade. You know, this is a journey, as I promised. I'm going to take you through all my trade towards achieving this goal. So guys, from what we have here, we started basically yesterday, and my first trade, as you can see, have been closed. You know, initially it was set to take profit at 50 pips, which should be equivalent to $30, given the fact that we are trading with 0.6%. We are risking 0.6% of our capital. But then I had to close the trade, lock in this profit this morning, because I got a signal that price is about, to start swinging down. Our position yesterday was at this point, but then we had some drawdown before price started coming back up. So at this point, I was able to figure out that the price is about to start, tanking down. So I had to close my trade. How was I able to figure this out? Some of the tools I use is my fib retracement. Okay, this tells me the price has reached the 61.8 level, and I watch, price action. Okay, and I saw some weak rejection at this point. So that gave me informed information that price is indeed coming down. So that was one of the factors. Alternatively, I also got a signal from the Stoopfecry special advisor, an indicator that was I created from over 3.5 years of my research into the forex market, which put all of these basic technical indicators in place to give correct and accurate, information as to what the market direction, as to where the market direction is going. So I got about 1 and 2 signals telling me that the market is about to reverse. So it's an additional confirmation. So I had to close my trade. So one of the things you need to learn here is that you need to be, flexible. You don't have to, be there and insist on, taking profit and something. Okay? You have to take some decisive decisions. And when you see the market, rerouting. So that was what I did. So you can see I had another trade open. It's currently running and in profit. So this is not the take profit. This is another position. I'm expecting it to come here and take profit at 500 pips as usual. So I just thought, let me brief and update you as to the position. And this time around, I decided to set my trade before coming in order to save us time and not to waste much of the time, as I realized initially the other trade I placed, my first examination where I was explaining, took a whole lot of time, over 30 minutes. So I'll basically want to keep this short and keep you updated as time goes on. So I opened my trade here with 50 pips take profit as usual and 50 pips stop loss. So I have a backup trade, which is to, pick up at this point. I think I made a mistake. I will need to correct it. It's supposed to use the same 0 point. This backup trade is supposed to use the same 0 point, 0.06. Okay, but it should in case my price did not get to my take profit before hitting my stop loss, this backup trade will be triggered and I would still eventually make a profit. If it doesn't, the third will be triggered. Okay, that's the essence why I had to start with 0.5. Unlike the martingale strategy, which in states that you double on every, increase, every loss you made. This is way different. This is the Stoopfecry Dollar wheel. I'm using the same lot size upon every lot for the first 2 consecutive losses. But the only difference is that I'm dynamically changing my, pips and take profit. In any case, this is very, economical, since the system have already determined a proper point at which I enter the trade to minimize drawdown and maximize profit. So basically, I'm just going to correct this before I go. I'll close this now. Close this now, and I think let me open from the 4 hours so that I get to see it properly. So I'll close this trade because I'm gonna use 0.12. Okay, I will set the position again. This is the stop loss of the current position. That's what I'm going to use as my entry point for the other profit I'm setting, for the other position I'm opening rather. So going by this, I like to use my C trader, which helped me compute the right volume and position size. So we're starting with 1.225 times. Okay, so I'm open any of my C trader. I'll put it on the sell limit, because I'm using sell limit because I'm buying at a position that is, I'm selling at a position that is higher than the current price level. Okay, so position, excuse me. So the position here is 1.225 10. So this time I'm targeting 75 pips. It's already there. So I'm just going to copy this estimated price, open my position. Okay, correct this. This was what was wrong. 0.06. Okay. I'm using 0.12 on my third position if it ends in a loss. Okay. But for now, I'm using same lot size on the first 2 positions. I would increase as we, make increase in profit. So now sell, then put the value there. The price is picking at 1.22510. So I usually set my expiry a week before, or if price takes profit, I cancel or depending order. Okay, or if one gets triggered. Okay, there we go. Then our profit, if remember we copied it in our C trader, so I'm just going to paste it there. So I'll go back and copy 75 pips stop loss position. Don't you may want to say I'm risking too much trading one-on-one, 1:1, but it works best because in the event of the market swinging or going high against you, this wider position will help you, still be in profit. Okay, like I calculated. So it's best for me, and you will see how it works. If you can enter at the proper point, you need to give the market opportunity to, move. So I'm going to place this now. So my backup trade, 75 feet up insert. So if this position didn't take this profit and goes back to hit my loss, then this other position will be triggered. I will be losing $30 from here, and if this position wins, I will make $45. Then invariably I'll recover my loss and make $15 more. I just hope this continues and take my profit. I'm going to update you soon. So as I was saying, one of the reasons I prefer using the one-to-one or increasing my loss size, my stop size, is to be able to give the market the opportunity to ride. Okay, basically we open our position at this point yesterday. If I had taken 15 pips, if I have taken 25 pips, you can see it's about 27. Market went down against our, our position before it eventually started going up. So if I had taken 1/2, which is 25 pips to 50 pips, I would have come today meeting that my position has been stopped out before price starts moving in my direction. That's why you want to give enough space for the market to move. But then if you're doing this, make sure you are using proper risk management. I'm only risking 0.6%. You need to balance everything. So that's all there is in today's update. I'm going to update you later on based on how the trade turns out. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.